the beach. It's very, very, very quiet today, and I just wanted to, like, you know, sit down and be outside and, like, take in the sun because it hasn't been so sunny in Toronto recently. So today I woke up, I was like trying to be productive. I woke up super early and my dad calls me and we're on the phone and we're just talking about life and like love. So after I finished talking to him and I was like looking in the mirror and I realized my shirt that I was wearing, it says like love is love. And I was like, you know what, today I declare today is a love day because everything is just reminding me of love. I went and got my coffee from Starbucks and I walked down to the beach and I'm looking for a place to sit. And I see a bench, I don't really like it, and then I see this bench, okay? And look what it says behind me. It literally says, love has no boundaries, right on this chair. There's like 2 little hearts on it. So yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna sit there. Like, this is a perfect bench, and it's like actually one of the only chairs in here that's like a full like bench. And I'm just journaling, just super happy. And I just think it's crazy when you like declare something into the universe and you're like, you know what? Today's about love. It's like showing me you're on the right path, you know? It's like God in different forms. I'm exactly where I need to be at the right time, in the right place. I'm gonna just keep journaling, and maybe I'll make today into a little vlog, like a day in my life. After this, I'm gonna hit the market, and after I hit the market, I wanna do some shopping, like grocery-wise, and yeah. And I will continue the vlog when I get to where I get to. I am super excited about this stir fry. Actually, wait, it's not a stir fry, it's a fried rice. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. I'm just gonna put a bunch of random shit in it, and we're just gonna pray for the best. It's gonna be bomb. I always like to make fried rice at least like, I don't know, a couple times a month just to get rid of any leftovers I have, and also just like, it's nice to make it in bulk. It's gonna be bomb. I also have some kimchi that I have not used yet, or I've only eaten a little bit of it. So it's gonna be like a kimchi, lobster tail, steak, realness. It's gonna give what it needs to give. Oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic salt, all of that. We put that in there, and then I just have the pre-cut veggies. Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. I decided on, instead of doing day in my life kind of vlogs, I'll do like a week in my life, like just to start with all the content that I've already filmed on my phone. But today I have to go do some viewings, so in about an hour I have to go, and it's raining really bad outside, but I think I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna get ready, shower. I don't think I'm gonna wash my hair. I have to fix it, but I don't think I'm gonna wash it. And I'm just gonna take you guys along. Moving is like the worst adulting job, and it's honestly so stressful, but I'm very hopeful, very optimistic to see some of these viewings. But yeah, hopefully I find something with a walk-in closet, and if I find a walk-in closet, I'll be very happy. But if it doesn't have a walk-in closet, I don't know. That's the one thing I want. But I literally have an hour, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm just gonna hop in the shower. When I hop out, I will continue the vlog and just do my little makeup, and then we will get going, okay? I'm gonna do my skincare. One cleanser. Fine. Okay, it's only 12:18. So technically I have to leave in 20 minutes, which I feel like I can do. I'm not gonna put on makeup like that. I've been going through my own music like nobody's business. He's such a playboy. He love with the Game Boy. Another time, and we're on the right back. And I'll come back, then I'm coming right back. But I can't touch the ground. I don't wanna come down. Now we're back to the bay. You'll be running out. If you know how I'm feeling, why you do it on me? Why you playing on these games? Got me fooling around, and I go right back. I have to leave within the next 5 minutes. I'm wearing just like this little simple outfit. It's raining, so obviously I'm gonna have to put the hat on. This hat either gives me like, I think I've worn it to every single one of my listings, but it's always cold and it matches with everything. So scent of the day is just her. It's always been her. She's the girl. The brown doesn't really match with the gray, but today we're not here to match. Today we're just here to get a place, so it's okay. Let's say an affirmation. Today I'm gonna find the most beautiful place ever. Everything is gonna go very smoothly. I'm grateful for everything that I have currently, and pray to Allah to keep me safe on my trip. That's all I really have to say. I gotta blast. I guess I have to take an Uber because apparently it's fucking cold, so. This is nice. There's a lot. Is this my room? No, this is so nice. Are you crazy? Oh my god. This is amazing. Like, are you kidding me?
You don't have a closet, but you can put.
But I could make this a closet.
But you can buy the racks, right?
Even if they leave this shelf, I wouldn't mind if they left this shelf.
Yeah. So. Oh, I like it cool in here.
I wonder if the heat is on in the unit. Oh, it's the exact same layout as the other one. Okay. It is freaking hot in here.
I love the back one, but the elevator. Yeah, for sure.
There's construction workers here too.
Well, they're still finishing.
Yeah. I feel like the yeah.
It's quite a lot. It is, yeah.
Yeah.
So at least we have another option.
Yeah.
This one is more expensive than the other one. I think this is 30.
Valentine. Valentine's Day. Okay. So, hi bitches. Today's Valentine's Day. And this is the first time I've ever had like a cute little Valentine's planned for me. Sorry, I'm being so nice. My man is doing like a little thing for me today, so he wants me to go get my nails done. I want to go to maybe the dollar store, and I'm trying to find some accessories for my outfit today, because the outfit, I don't know exactly what I'm going to pair with this denim set I got, but I'm going to wear this DKNY pink denim
ensemble. I'm just gonna start by washing my face using this squalene makeup remover cleanser. Fine. Okay. So I'm gonna keep my face fresh. I'm not gonna put on any makeup going out. Skincare is done. Okay. I'll be back. Okay. So I just put on this casual outfit. Shirt is from H&M. Bag is thrifted. These cargos I got from the consignment store. I love the fit. They are Margaret Howell. But yeah, we're gonna get some shit done dizzy, and we'll be back.
Okay, so first things first is coffee because it's a mess. So we have some coffee, and then I'm gonna go to the nail salon. It is so fucking nice out today, even though it's windy. Super pretty. So I hope I have enough time to just get everything done. Thank you so much. Take care. Got my coffee. The fire alarm is on in here. I have to eject.
I think I like this color. Okay, so here are the nails. They're giving Valentine. I'm keeping her short and cute. These are so cute. I literally love them so much.
Just left with all my goodies, and it's like a 5-minute walk to the plant store, so I'm just gonna take my ass down there, and then I'm done. I'm gonna get back home. Okay, I made it. I like this one.
I got approved for my place. I got approved! I'm sorry. I cannot contain my joy right now. So, I wrote a list. I wrote a list of things that I wanted for my new apartment, and I wrote a list of goals that I had for myself. So, I'm gonna read it for you. I'm sorry, I'm literally sweating because I cannot believe I got it. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, new unit, downtown by the water, laundry in unit, big windows, lots of space, walk-in closet, bathroom and room, walk-in at the front, move in, March 1st, storage and big closet. And then this is what I wrote. I said, I'm going to get a beautiful new condo, also a serving job that pays me really well, which I haven't got that, but it's okay. I'm going to start a program to pursue my passion, and I just got into my business program that I applied to yesterday. The rest is like financial stuff, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, so I am done most of my makeup. I still need to put on my eyelashes, and then I'm gonna make it really sparkly because my eyeshadow is sparkly, but I'm gonna wait, do my hair, and then we'll do the final touches for makeup, and I will be back and I'll show you guys. I have to be ready by 7. It's about 5 now, so I have like 2 hours. Hour for the hair, and then an hour to clean, which is perfect, and then I'll show you my outfit of the day, and we'll go from there. The rollers are in. I don't know if I did it properly. We're just gonna have to leave it in here, and we're gonna see. And then I'll fix it up if I need to fix anything, but I'm just gonna leave this for now and do some cleaning, and then I will be back to show you the outfit, and yeah, we're gonna get into it, babe. I'm so impatient. I left it in for like 30 minutes. it's like this. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible, but this is the outfit. I thrifted this top as well as this DKNY light pink matching denim set. I put on this little antique bag that I thrifted, and then my fuzzies, or my feathery little pumps that I also thrifted. My outfit is basically mostly all thrifted, except the jacket that I threw on is from Zara. Necklace is thrifted, and then just some silver earrings and my thrifted vintage Prada shades. What are we thinking of this B-Day look? I think it's so fucking cute. I'm so excited. But I have to go. I am running late. My boyfriend's waiting downstairs, so I gotta go. But I will take you guys along on our little date. Chicken karaage, gyoza, and coconut shrimp.